Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are going to look at the onboarding process of capacities.io. If you don't know capacities, it is a Notion alternative, and that's all I know about capacities. So we are going to look at the onboarding process today from a designer's perspective. So let's get started. I'm going to click on register. I'm going to add my email address. I'm going to enter a password. It's weak. That's fine. No, that worked. Okay, I'll save my password. Okay, so it starts with something like this. We have a sidebar view, but it's closed right now. That's good. Okay, and we have the main actual language thing. Okay, this is great so far. Although I don't need language at the beginning. Maybe I just add a change language button here if they wanted, but that's fine. And probably not add a scroll bar over here, but that's fine. We'll go to capability, capacities, studio for mind. Okay, what should we call you? Perfect. Okay, I don't think this is needed, but that's okay. Capacities is a powerful tool, but it might not work with the tools you know. Let us briefly introduce the three fundamental pillars of capacities. Nodes don't live in folders, they are connected, everything is an object, everything you do is connected to time. Okay, that makes sense. These illustrations are cute for this. Pillar 1, nodes don't live in folders, they are connected. Okay, yeah, it's reiterating that. Okay. Pillar 2, everything is an object, of course, and everything is connected to time. Okay, got it. Set your first object. Okay, book. I don't use meetings. Quotes, that's nice. Places, maybe projects, yeah. Organizations. Topic notes, maybe. Okay, this is good. Please verify your email address. Okay, I'll do that. Not receive an email. Do you have trouble? Keep me updated. Okay. This screen can be redesigned a little bit, I think, because keep me updated, maybe that can come under new screen. Instead of pasting all the 9 slides, this is like more important for marketing, right? So this can come under maybe a new screen. But let's go. Let's go. Nothing's happening. Why is nothing happening? Maybe I have to verify my email address. Let me do that quickly. Okay, I verified in another device and it worked. Okay, that works. Maybe not do that. But yeah, so I've made my app now. Everything's here, and that's it for the onboarding. I guess if I refresh the page, okay, it comes over here. Okay, this makes sense, but yeah, that was a good onboarding process, but it was a little lengthy and it can be redesigned a bit to be more attractive aesthetically, because this app inside is well attractive, but the onboarding can be even more aesthetically pleasing, I think. But other than that, I think it's just good. Yeah, let me know if you want more design videos like this, how other people design, and how things like onboarding for other app works. That's it for this video. Bye bye.